Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Borsgye leather pen pouch. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this clear plastic packet packaging is a Borsgye leather pen pouch, and this one is in dark brown. And just taking a look at the details that's on the clear plastic packet packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up by peeling open the flap of the clear plastic packet and perhaps squeezing the leather pen pouch out of it. Okay, we can set that to the side and giving you a look at this Borsgye leather pen pouch in dark brown as it is straight out of its clear plastic packet packaging. So just setting it on the tabletop and giving you various views of this crazy horse leather in dark brown made into this pen pouch. Okay, and now just setting the pen pouch in my hand to give you some sense of its size and gripping or cupping it as well. So the pen pouch measures 16.5 centimeters long by 5 centimeters wide. So 16.5 centimeters across and 5 centimeters wide, or 5 cm wide. And of course giving you a look at its details and its thickness as well. So you can see the overall dark brown coloration with a slightly lighter stitching, or perhaps it is color matched, but nonetheless giving you a much closer in look at the details throughout. So it does have the strap there keeping the flap in place, and of course just a profile an aspect of this dark brown crazy horse leather Borsgye pen pouch. So you can see the overall details and of course the leather grain of the pen pouch. So of course the back side or underside right there, the details and graining of this dark brown crazy horse leather pen pouch. And now let's go ahead and open it up by sliding that flap out from its keeper or strap holder right there, and giving you a look at the inner details of this pen pouch. So you can see the underside of the leather, or at least the pen pouch, and of course the thickness and the edges of the pen pouch itself. And right there, giving you a look at the overall details once again, so you can see the overall construction, and of course just popping open the opening there so you can see slightly better inside around the details that continue in the pouch itself. So there, giving you a further out look, and of course with the flap folded over and tucked in, and of course giving you some sense of this crazy horse leather. So very supple and flexible, as you can see, just bending it and twisting it as well. And once again, just popping open that opening and giving you a sense of its functionality right there, and various aspects further out of this Borsgye leather pen pouch. So you can see right now with how light plays against the surface of that leather case or pouch, and of course the stitching details as well, evenly spaced and consistently lined around the edges of the case. Okay, now let's go ahead and test it out. And over here I have a rOtring 800 retractable ballpoint pen in black, which I've unboxed very recently. And of course, giving you a sense of the size of the pen and up against the Borsgye leather pen pouch right there. So once again, measurements 16.5 centimeters tall and 5 centimeters wide. Well, let's go ahead and pop the pen into the pouch. So right there it goes into the pouch, and I've fully inserted it right in, and you can see the reaction of the Crazy Horse leather to the pen expanding the material and giving you a direct look inside of the pouch with the pen in place. Let's tuck the flap right into the keeper, and there we have the Borsgye leather pen pouch with the rOtring 800 retractable ballpoint pen in it, and giving you that overall look and profile view as well, so you can see just how the pen fits into this case. And there, just tossing the case about, and of course just giving it a gentle twist just to give you some sense of the way the leather responds, and of course removing the pen from the case. So right there, a further out look. At this Borsgye leather pen pouch, and close it back up, and of course the rOtring 800 retractable ballpoint pen in black. Being just fine, freshly removed from the Borsgye leather pen pouch. So once again, giving you an overall look at this pen pouch. Simple open and close. And of course, just one more thing to test out. With the pen in place, once again, a snug fit into the pen pouch or pen case. You can see just lightly gripping it on the side, not applying any pressure to the containment of the pen at all. It does stay snugly in place, and of course the flap as well, just as important should it be freely flung about. You can see that the flap or case cover does stay firmly in place. So a nice and secure fit for this rOtring 800 retractable ballpoint pen. So that's the Borsgye leather pen pouch. Thanks for watching and happy storing!